Hey, it don't happen. Hey, my pain is here. Hey. So guys, you can see my Google AdSense PIN is here. It took me about less than a week, yeah, for it to arrive. So if you're still expecting your PIN, keep watching this video. I'm going to give you a bonus tip on how to get it very fast, okay? And if you've gotten your PIN just like me, as you can see, and you need a guide on how to set it up to avoid any mistakes that touches the heart, then keep watching this video. I'll guide you through it. We'll do it together step by step, because this is not the first time I'm doing a verification with Google AdSense. Yes, so stay tuned.
Let's grow wide with tips from Favour. It's a steady ride. Midwife wisdom and YouTube flair.
So what you need to do first is to log into your Google AdSense account, especially when you've gotten to the verification threshold. For those of you that don't know, the verification threshold for you to even start setting up anything is usually $10. Yeah, you need to at least earn $10 to even start processing anything. Once you log into your Google AdSense account, okay, you need to follow the prompt, follow the steps. I'll show you how I did mine, okay? And once you've gotten to this stage where they need you to verify the PIN, this is it. This is it. So you just need to, the instruction and everything is always there. You can see here they say remove, I don't know if it's clear enough, remove sides first. Can you see it? Anyway, so you just need to tear out the sides first, okay? So let's tear it.
Let's go wide with tips from Favour. Steady ride. Midwife wisdom and YouTube flair. Sharing that knowledge like she truly cares. Click to go, hit that play. Start with passion, pave your way. Algorithms may seem so tough. Consistency finds golden rough. Self-care shines in every choice. Listen closely, Favour's voice for hearts to heal and minds to glow.
And here we have it.
Find the spark, let wisdom flow.
Okay, you on this side. Ooh. And there we have the PIN. I have to hide my PIN. Hope I'm hiding it very well. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. There is set of instructions there. Yeah, you can see the instructions there. Now let's log on to my Google AdSense. Yeah, it even says it there. Sign into your AdSense for YouTube account. Yeah, go to payments, then verification check, enter your PIN and click submit. It's as easy as that. Now let's go there. So once you go into your studio.youtube.com, yeah, even from your studio you can go into the AdSense. There's always this notification on the top corner. I'll show you on the screen, so you can see what's written there. Important, please sign into your Google AdSense account to verify your address using the PIN code mailed to your billing address. This is required to receive future payments and continue monetizing. And then just by the side you see this learn more or dismiss. So let's click on learn more. When we click on learn more, here we are, and as soon as you click on that link, the one on your studio, this is what you will see on your screen. It will just take you directly to where you need to enter the PIN, okay? So all you need to do is to just enter the PIN to verify your payment address. So click on it. Let's wait for it. Oh, okay, it's asking us to sign in, so let's sign in first. We need to sign in. I can see some money there already. Okay, now let's go step by step. Okay, so they're saying something here. Let me zoom it for you guys. They said your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. So that's it. And let's just click on action. You can see it. Can you see that? Verify your identity. So identity verification, if it's something you've not done, I'll just run through. I'm sure I'll run through a video for you guys to see how to do that bit. Okay, it's as easy as ABC, but you can see mine is completed now. And then address verification needs attention, and then here you have it. Enter the PIN we mailed to your payment address. So it's usually a 6-digit PIN for those of you that don't know. And now I'm going to click on it. You always see this, you have 3 attempts, so you need to be careful, don't make any mistakes. So let's type in mine. Close your eyes, close your eyes. And yeah, once you've typed in the PIN, just click on submit. Dun, dun, ta-da! Can you see that? Completed. Did you see that? Complete. So that's it. It's all done. The next thing you need to do is just to go back to your studio. Okay, let's go back to our studio and see what they will start telling us. So you just go back to studio.youtube.com. Let me refresh my page. You can see it, say continue to studio, and you go to this earn section, because when you go to this earn before, that's where you see this notification. Yeah, to verify your address, you're sent a PIN, enter it, blah blah blah. So this is what you see at first, but because I've just done it, it's taking time. Now let me refresh the page. There you have it. It's as simple as that. That's just all the settings you need to do, and then you just keep an eye on that end section of your dashboard for next steps. If there's anything you need to do, it will tell you there, and once you click there, it will direct you back to any action you need to take. Okay, if you've got any question, leave it down in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will always see you when I post a video. So I promise to give you a bonus tip. Yeah, that's for those that have not gotten their PIN yet. All you need to do is to go check your address, your personal information again. Make sure everything is correct, the name, the spelling, the address, the number, everything. Just check that is correct, and give them about 2 to 3 weeks. And then if after 3 weeks it has not still arrived, I'll advise you to just request a new PIN. Yes, and this brings us to the end of the video today. Yeah, if you've got any question, leave it down in the comment section. Okay, and the next step is to wait to meet that payment threshold. So for us in the UK, it's usually £60, and if you're in the US, it's $100, and I think those that are earning in dollar is usually $100, but for us in the UK is £60. So come on, bring it in. Bring this money, this currency, this dollar, all of this money, bring them in. You can join my membership by clicking on that join button just right next to my name there. Yeah, and enjoy the perks. See you in my next one.
Need a nurse, Favour, the midwife, step to the mic. Let's go.